What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bright FX, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm trying to show you guys what I do every weekend to prepare myself for the week ahead. So I'll show you guys on the chart. I'll just break down all the trades, how I look at the trades, my pre-market analysis, yeah, something like that. So for the week, what I'm supposed to look for, what I'm supposed to do, so I don't go over it day in and day out. So this, as a beginner trader, it helps a lot, right? It helps a lot. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with good a XAUSD. So we have trending right now, as you can see. Let's go into the weekly. On the weekly, you can see strong bullish candles have been printed for the past 3 weeks. 1 2 3. So strong bullish candle, which shows that price is just uptrending. Gold has been rising and rising for the past few months now. So this looks good. This bullish candle gives us more information that we should be able to be look for buys, which is what the aggressive move. And even if you are going to counter trend, you should just take short sells. Okay, so this demand zone, I I marked it out. I think I marked it out last week, and price was able to tap it within the week of trading. So we have trend right now, up move now. So as you can see, price tap this, and we are now uptrend. So on the 1 hour, we can go into the 1 hour chart. Now everything shows that we're in an uptrend, right? So I can either wait for a break of this um lower high right here, so I can look for another sub demand zone and take the price higher, or I can either just draw out this supply zone, even though we are in an uptrend, and wait for price to tap me in, come down a little bit. Maybe I'll take a sell and take a long buy, because the general move is what uptrend, and this is just a sub move. This is just a corrective move we have right here. We have this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then this huge lower low. So the opposite can be said. We can come and have this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So price will definitely make a higher low and look for a demand zone before trading upward. So with that, I know what to look for the following week of trading is what general buys, which has already started strong. So I can just go down to the smaller time frame, look for a suitable zone, and just take a buy from there. Now let's go on to GBPJPY. So on GBPJPY, let's go into the weekly chart. We have been consolidating for a while. But everything shows that price has been able to break sub zones within the 4 hour trend. Price have been able to break sub zones, all these zones, price have been able to break it. So we can consider this as an uptrend to this huge zone before um when a reversal is to take place. It's going to take place in this huge zone I've drawn right here. So for now, as you can see, this zone has also been tested and price is consolidating right off it. So I can look forward a buy onto this zone. But if this doesn't hold, I can look for a buy from this zone instead into this zone. Look for another reversal, then probably be able to take the to be able to short the general trend, to short the market. But for now, on the weekly chart, you can see price having what is consolidating right off this bat. But previously, we have been in an uptrend. As you can see, all this higher, sorry, all this high, high, higher low, higher high. Sorry. So we have this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this higher low. So instead of price just breaking this high right here, it's now consolidating and making whatever it wants to make. But if you're able to break this low, then we are reversing into what lows. But again, if we are able to, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, break this high right here, then it shows that our the chart pattern is valid, market structure is valid. So we just look for another demand zone and we continue riding the trend upwards. So with that being said, I can look forward to buy to this zone I've drawn right here, and hopefully it break past it. Then I continue looking for buys to tackle this high. So that's for GDP GPY. Sorry. Now go to GDP USD. This is a beautiful trade right here. In the weekly chart, you can see internal structure have been broken, which shows that there's a huge possibility price is reversing. It's reversing to either of these zones. So we have these two huge demand zones. We have this one zone here. Let's do it red. And we have another. When you go into a lower time frame, you see another one right there. So as you can see, price did this. We had this lower low, lower high, lower low, and this break, right? So this break shows that there is a reversal coming. That's why I drew this demand zone. So as soon as price comes here, I'm looking for a buy into this zone. So on this supply zone that I've been right here, you can go into the 4 hour or the daily time frame. I've already marked it out. As you can see, there is another internal reversal right here. So as you can see, let me clean this shit. Let me clean this. So we have this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Price has broken this. So you have this break of structure right here. You have this break of structure right here. So I've drawn these two supply zones. Either is appropriate to take a sell. So I have this first right here. So price can come into this zone and I'll take a sell. Price can come to this zone, I'm taking a sell. So I'm looking for a sell right here from this zone. Then I'll take it down into this demand zone. And I'll look for another reversal that I'm trading into this supply zone right here. GBP USD card, the final market I'm looking at. So on the weekly, price is in a bit of a turmoil right now. You can see after this huge bullish, this huge bearish candle, price is not being able to push forward high enough, but we are still uptrending. Why? Because price has not yet broken any structure to the low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Price hasn't yet broken this, but price is also just failing to break any higher right now. So we have this little movement right now. So I either wait to see a break of this low or this low, something like this. Then I'm able out. When something like this happens, I'm looking for a sell. But if this happens, a break of this, first I'll look for internal structure breakage. So the break of this, then I can look for a demand zone, then I can continue taking a market or higher. So let's go into the 4 hour. Let's see how that works. Let's go into the 4 hour chart. So already we have this zone right here. So I'm looking for now after price tackled this demand zone, we are rising. So price broke this high again. So it came down to this demand zone. So I'm looking for a buy, a suitable buy. Maybe I'll go down to the 30 minutes, the 15 minutes to look for confirmation and take another buy, maybe to tackle this highs right here. If that's it fails to happen, maybe price breaks the demand zone, then I'm looking for to take the buy on in this demand zone. When it fails and it also breaks, then I now it gives me confirmation that what we are reversing totally. So yeah, that's about it. So that's about it.